Hi there. Okay, I'm going to do another one of these things where I say words with different vowel sounds in the middle. Okay, this series begins with and ends in t. Okay, and it's got various vowel sounds or combinations of vowel sounds between those two. So you ready? Let's go. Number 1, hit. Number 2, hot. Number 3, heart. Number 4, hat. Number 5, height. Number 6, hurt. Number 7, heat. Number 8, hoot. Number 9, hut. Number 10, hate. Good luck in identifying the words. Post for answers. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.